heavy. It's a freight train.
Why are the two engines on it?
Because it's heavy.
Look at all those freight cars.
Yeah, but you gotta get the people to room because then they
Yay, freight cars.
Then there's two.
So quiet on the new track. No
Look
squeaking.
at Elise.
Listen to that.
Are there going to be hopper cars?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, not hopper cars.
The train here.
Where's the caboose?
Look at all those cars.
Dude, look for the caboose. That's a big train here. You heard it. Here, stand right here and you get a better view. Right here, buddy. Buddy Basinski.
Look at the shine.
Look at the shine on that engine.
It wasn't just one, Kimmy.
It wasn't just two.
How many?
It was a gazillion.
Man, this is
This
train
is
time.
exciting. This is train time.
Fantastic.
Here's the trains. I'm Sally here. I used to know you a while ago, but but you taught me a lot about trains.
Sally, look.
You taught us all.
I am so excited.
Look at the cars.
Oh, wow.
They just keep coming, and
I
you
don't
can
even
see
think
the
I can
passenger
video them
trains.
First freight train over the new tracks under the new bridge in Middlebury. Look at that.
Oh, the caboose is
Gotta
coming.
love a caboose.
You gotta love
Do it the way Tom says it.
Okay, I'll try to do it when Willie Tom says it. Caboose. Is that good?
You know Tom?
Tom train axles.
Tom O'Connor.
Sally knows Tom O'Connor.
Boom. The train's still coming.
Yep, still coming.
It used to come through here. It was all squeaky. Remember the noise it used to make?
Here comes the tanker cars, Kimmy.
Probably all toxic stuff in there too.
No, tankers.
Unfortunately. At least it'll be safer now.
We gotta have our.
What do you like to do? What do you like to do, Sally?
I like to work in my garden. I like to see trains with people that I knew.
It's a mile long.
It does seem that way.
Do you work in the garden at Yellow House?
I do have a.
This goes on and on and on.
That's the end right there.
Go check it out.
I know they don't need the caboose, but somehow it seems like something's missing when there isn't one.
What happens when
No.
it's not gonna stop, it's gonna keep going.